Hey, hey guys, back with another video, another Stardew Valley video. I'll play this one because it's, oh my god, I forgot how loud this fucking music is. Jesus Christ. Alright, when to load it in the game, it probably fixes the audio though. Because like that shit is so loud. That should turn down a little bit. Hopefully my audio is like good now because like I had the game audio too loud. So in the actual recording thing, I turned the game thing down a little bit, just like a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. Sorry, I don't know why that popped in my head. This from Building and Mandy. I don't know, watch it. I don't know why I keep remembering that stuff. But anyways, go this way. Just start the day. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Surely it's done now, right? I mean, it's done. I don't know. Do this. I'll do that. I keep that for later. Throw that away. Throw that away. Wait. Am I restarting the day? I feel like I already did all this shit. Probably started a day by accident. I'm dumb like that. I probably did. Start the day by accident. I could chop down these trees and like really start building towards the barn. You know what I'm saying? That way I can, you know, and get like a silo and stuff. I really should just build towards that. So like I have like stuff for the winter because winter is coming. You know, the meme thing as I did in the last video. Winter is coming. Also I got like updates for Game of Thrones. I watched a little bit more of it, and I think it's pretty dope. I really like the story sides. I like the, fuck, what's her name? Fuck, I forgot her name. I'll just throw a picture up. I like her side of the story. Like her story stuff. I think she's very cool stuff. Like she's like she's like a real sorry, I can't like speak well. A liberator. That's the word, right? Bro, I can't fucking talk. I think today is the day where I just build towards the farm. You know what I'm saying? Get a chicken coop. Today's a chicken coop day. I do believe. Alright, I have those in my inventory. Hold up, I probably still need my oh, come on. How do I swap stuff out? Okay, okay, I can't swap out. Do I do it like this? Oh, okay. Yeah. Fuck. I'm hitting buttons on my keyboard. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna probably put it like right here where I'm standing, like right around here. There's probably a better place to put it, but I'm kind of dumb. Actually, I could probably put it down here. Yeah, just drop it down the tree. Yeah, I thought I was gonna put it down here because there's already grass down here. I need to upgrade my axe because I can't like get rid of these stumps. So, and like this would be like the best spot, like right in here. So I might come back later and do it then. However, I could probably make the silo and put it up somewhere. Sorry, I sneezed. I probably edited that out because that shit is loud. Sneezing is loud out. And also, like, I don't like it when other people have a sneeze and they're like recording and they don't like edit it out or like, cut out your sneeze. I don't know, that shit bugs me a little bit. Not gonna lie. Oh, come on, I hate that shit when I swing and miss. It's I have enough money to do it. I have like a shit ton of money saved up. I have enough copper to upgrade this? Because I think I need copper to like destroy those stumps. The copper iron, I forgot which one. Oh, I didn't water my cat. I didn't water Simba. Poor little guy. Oh, I'm sorry, kitty. Go. Yeah, there you go, kitty. That's a good kitty. That's a good kitty right there. Fuck. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna check how much copper. I think it's 5 copper, right? Oh yeah, I have. Oh yeah, I have enough. I have enough. I'm gonna do this now. Going over there, do that thing, and then I'm gonna go multiple different places. Ooh, berries. Delicious berries. I don't. You guys didn't see that. I didn't get stuck there. I did not get stuck there. Damn, I have like no energy. Do I talk to this dude? I'm gonna talk to him. Hey, what's good? Over. Okay. Ham's birthday. Epic. I missed something there, clearly. Wait, why did I come here? Oh yeah, talking to her. Hey. Same. I felt that. Felt that to my core. I was gonna do a voice for her, but sometimes doing voices is a little OD, if you get what I'm saying. I need to check the weather report. Okay, not this place. It's up here. Hey, what's good, bro? Upgrade my tools. Hell yeah. Oh, cool. I could get that too. Wait, did I click the right thing? Okay. I was about to be so upset. Very good. Alright, let's get up here. Okay, I think the thing's up here. I do believe, because I will do the other thing. Goja Cola. Someone bring me one. Okay. Hey, look at her just staring off the abyss. Here, no, I'll do the same. Nice view, huh? Anyways, that was probably fucking cringy. I'm sorry. All right, let's buy something. Yeah, buy one of these. I have money. I can just throw around. All right, go up here. I don't know where Pam's at. Where the fuck is Pam? I think she's probably in the saloon. Chash actually should go up there. I think she closes at like 5 or some shit. I need to get up here first. Berries. Yes. Yes. Give me berries. Yes. And then the person you buy animals to the person down below. I think. God, fuck it. I keep running into every fucking thing, bro. I definitely done this. I think I'm repeating the day because like I probably didn't save it. Probably didn't save it when I stopped recording last time. hey, bro. I should talk to him, but I'm gonna go over here and yeah, come here. Construct a building for farms. Okay. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Silo. Oh, I don't have fucking clay. Can I buy clay from her? Surely I can buy clay from her. No, I cannot buy clay from her. Oh. That's dope. I came here for no reason. No reason. Yay. Yay. Okay. No, I don't want to upgrade the fucking house. Oh my god. Construct. I need more. Okay, I need more gold. I need more thing for chicken coop. Need more wood for that. Alright. I should take this time to go fishing, I guess. Actually, I'm gonna have to end the day early, probably. Because how low energy I am right now. Oh, there's Pam. Wait for me. Wait. Wait, no. Wait, stop. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Delivery. Yes. Yoinkus. Money secured. This do. I have no clue what that does. That's like new to me. Not gonna lie. That's very new to me. Bars hard. Bag secured. I don't want money, but it probably wouldn't hurt. It's funny when you get used nerve. Only doing this. I only know the feeling because I put in the. I fucked the song. Wait, I want that. I want that so bad. Okay, let me edge it. Let me edge it. Yeah, I'm edging. I'm edging. Guys, I'm edging. Oh shit. Guys, I'm edging it. Guys, I'm edging. Guys, I'm edging. Okay, get up here. Grab it. Wait. Oh my god, that was so close. Almost fucked that up. Almost fucked that up. My bad. There we go. Yo, a diamond? I'm keeping that. There we go. I'm keeping that diamond. I could also put it in the museum. I kind of was. Oh shit. Hell yeah. Alright, river jelly. I might eat that right now. Or I might save that for when I go caving. That's probably a better idea. I'm trying to maximize my monies today by fishing. I think fishing is probably like the fastest way to get money, right? Surely, right? Because you can just get it instantly. I have two, so I'm gonna use one right now. I can fish more. Oh my god, it's not where I was looking. Oh, I was probably looking. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. I wasted precious energy on that shit. Okay, anyways, I can't wait till the next fucking episode of Invincible, man. That was so good. The way I fucked that up, but the way they left that out, like the cliffhanger, that shit went hard. I was on episode 4, by the way. So like, you know, that was like last episode. And, so I mean, I'm just dating this video. I said that probably last episode as well. Something about Invincible. Yeah. Just keep fishing. Just keep fishing. You get a lot of money from this. Money. Alright, this video's probably gonna be short. Short, huh? Perfect. Perfect. Just like you. Sorry. My fault. My fault. Good. Let's not fuck this up. Wait, chest. Chest. Wait! Okay. Oh my god. Like I'm edging the thing. I'm a good edger. Premium gooner right here. Okay, that wasn't worth it. Premium gooner right here. What the fuck's wrong with me? That was fucking ass. I did that prematurely. I rubbed my nose with the right hand. God damn it! And he started doing it with my left hand. Okay. Okay, trash. You used your last piece of bait on trash. Dope. My energy is too low, anyways. I probably should just head out. You know, do a little Yankee Doodle dance. How much fish that I caught? Right. I'm gonna check this box real fast. I already sold it, probably. Hopefully, anyways. A lady for my laddie. Alright, that'll probably give me nothing. Bring it to Lewis and... okay. That's like the first time I've ever seen this ticket thing. I'll do that later, though. I'll do that like in the next video. But you know, this is where I'm gonna end it, though. Hey, kitty. Alright. Better just pet him, I mean. Well, I'm gonna end the video here, so peace. Wait, hold up. Gotta see how much money I got. Let's look at this money. Oh, money. I didn't mean to sell that. Oh well. Winter's not coming. I just forgot the seasons. Anyways, I'm done with this video.